Loose drywall panels? You gotta get those bad boys secured with screws to keep your walls looking fresh and solid. So, first off, grab a drill and some drywall screws and make sure you're using the right length. Usually 1¼ inches works well for standard drywall. Find the studs behind that loose panel by tapping or using a stud finder if you have one. Once you know where the framing is, start screwing the drywall back in place, spacing the screws about 12 inches apart along each stud. Don't overdo it though. You want the screws snug but not so tight that they break the drywall paper. If the drywall is sagging, you might need to add extra screws or even a little wood shim behind the panel to give it a firm hold. After that, check for any gaps or cracks around the edges and fill them with joint compound or drywall mud to get a smooth finish. Let it dry, sand it down lightly, and then prime and paint like usual. This simple fix saves you from bigger headaches and keeps your walls sturdy. One of the biggest mistakes with loose drywall panels is using nails instead of screws, which don't hold as well and can pop out over time. So always stick with drywall screws. Another common issue is missing the framing studs when securing the panel. If your screws just go into hollow space, the drywall won't stay put. Use a stud finder or tap method to be sure where the studs sit before you screw in. Third, people tend to over-tighten screws, which can crush the drywall paper and cause crumbling. Just tighten enough until it's flush with the surface, no more. Fix these by swapping nails for screws, double-checking stud placement, and being gentle with your screw gun. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about drywall repairs and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid place to find work from homeowners who really need your skills.